you all. Myself, Mandakini Shukla, and my team members are. This is Abhilasha Pandey. Myself, Savi Mishra. We from Amity International School, Jagdishpur. We are very pleased to give a presentation. The theme of our presentation is water conservation for future generations. In the following videos, we can see that how these people are wasting water by doing various activities such as talking to their friends, using social media apps, etc. Not only these people, but all of us waste water in our daily lives. Now, our team member Abhilasha is going to ask some common questions. So, I am here to present some common question. Is life exist without water? No waste. Then why you waste water? We waste water accidentally. Do you know how much percent of water present on earth? It's 3/4. Then what's the percentage of fresh water? It's 2.5. Exactly. You know all the things, but still you guys waste water. So, as the theme of our presentation is water conservation. So, let us know that. What is water conservation? Water conservation is the practice of using water efficiently to reduce water usage. As we know that water is a natural limited resource as well as a costly one. Now, in water conservation, there are several methods. Here, we are going to talk about one of them, and that is rainwater harvesting. So, what is rainwater harvesting? Rainwater harvesting is an eco-friendly way as well as a cost-effective way. So, in the rainwater harvesting, the water from the roofs are collected in a tank area and it used in other various activities. One of the commonly known system, grey water system. In grey water system, the water usage of tubs while we bath, basins and washing machine is collected in a separate tank, which afterwards we will use in separate activities which conserve water usage. Now, the rainwater harvesting and grey water system was the ways that are existing, but now we have thought of an innovative idea to conserve water. So let us know about the idea in detail. So, as you all know that rising farmer suicides are one of the topics that are discussed worldwide. So, why the farmers are doing suicides? The farmers are doing suicides because of low crop yields and high loads on them. People have died due to the lack of oxygen. People have died in roads, in ambulances, and even in hospitals due to shortage of oxygen. You all will be thinking that the theme of our presentation is water conservation. So, why we are giving you the data of the farmers' suicide and the lack of oxygen? We were giving you the data because our idea, the innovative idea, is based on it. As we know that the water consists of hydrogen and oxygen, so there is a process called as electrolysis by which we will separate hydrogen and oxygen with the help of electricity. So, the hydrogen and oxygen is separated. The oxygen will be converted into the oxygen cylinders and hydrogen into the fertilizers and pesticides. It will help the farmers, it will help us, the people who die because of lack of oxygen, and it will also conserve water. Now, we are having a second innovative idea that our team member Abhilasha has thought. It's about sewer water. Sewer, today's generation very major problem. In sewer, there are many types of material which are biodegradable and non-biodegradable. In biodegradable materials, there are organic material and non-organic material, which also consist of polythenes, tin cans, etc. And sewer also produce many harmful microorganisms and unpleasant smell. So now, as Abhilasha told you all, that the organic waste is also known as biodegradable waste and inorganic waste also known as non-biodegradable waste. So now, the organic waste will be converted into the manure and the inorganic waste can be reduced by recycling the things. Here, you can see how beautiful these tires are converted. These old plastic cans and shoe, even we convert the shoe. And the spoons are even are taken as a help to grow the plants such as climbers and creepers. The dirty water can be filtered and be used in many other things such as planting trees and many more. So here we come to our end of the presentation. Thank you.